नहीं, आपको एक चीज़ बोलता हूँ अनिल तिवारी जी, आपको एक चीज़ बोलता हूँ. I will tell you something, because one of the first times, and the reason why I'm raising this point is I remember one of the first times जब कपिल सांकला जी एक एडवोकेट है, जब वो हमारे चैनल पे आए थे पहला बार, it was when our editor-in-chief and when our network came under attack in a state called Maharashtra under a dictator called Uddhav Thackeray. Okay? You know what happened back then, Kapil? They created false cases and they arrested our editor and our senior management, and they summoned all our reporters and senior editors, and I was called as well to the crime branch police. Now they did all of that by framing us in false cases. Now the reason why I'm saying this is because you have a situation where the police went later to court and said, my lords, we are sorry, we acted under political pressure, we fudged evidence, it was a fake case, please forgive us, and close the case. The cases were shut. Okay, that's what happened when they created fake charges and went after someone. And then you have a case where there is cash, there are videos, there are accounts, first-hand accounts from fire officers, police officers. And then you have a judge, the judiciary coming under test, and my lord has taken oath, and the Bar Association says they haven't even been informed about it. Now, I just want to ask you as a layman, before speaking as an advocate, Kapil, what kind of a message is going out?
You know, it is very unfortunate what has happened, and I was actually thinking about this. Look at the timeline for a second. Cash is found in a judge's house. The honorable judge says that this was planted, that I am being falsely accused of certain acts. I haven't done it. Inquiry is supposed to be conducted. While the inquiry is being conducted, which is an in-house inquiry, there is no investigation, there is no FIR, there is no police or special services or CBI involved. But in an internal inquiry, he's transferred. Questions are raised as to his transfer, rightly so. Somebody files a PIL that even if he's being transferred, at least let us not get him, let him not take the oath. In the intervening period, a private oath ceremony is done, and the honorable court, the honorable judges, allowed to take oath. Now, the kind of message that goes is that there is already a trust deficit, and that trust deficit is growing. And now the bar, which is perhaps the second largest, the largest stakeholder of the judicial system, are you and I, the public. Second are the judges. Third are perhaps the judiciary, judicial officers, etc. So that is how the pyramid is. And now the lawyers are questioning, and the general public is questioning the role and the conduct, unfortunately, of the judiciary. Now, I may perhaps believe that the judge is above board, that the case is planted, it is fabricated. Even if it is so, justice is not only to be done, but has to be seen to be done. And what is required at this moment is to open up your books, so to say. And you say that everything will be in public eye. Let one of the strongest pillars, which is the media, scrutinize us. It is all right. Let it be the public who scrutinizes us. We have nothing to hide. And if somebody is guilty, he will be punished. It could be somebody who's planted it or somebody who really owned the cash. But at this moment, to have a hidden oath ceremony, which is unprecedented to my knowledge, can it be done? Perhaps. Should it be done? Never. Should it be done without involving the judicial, bar? Absolutely not. And you have a situation now where we are questioning everything that is being done. And unfortunately, everything that is being done is being done. Unfortunately, what was said, kith and kin, the brother is going to protect brothers, etc. And now all of that is turning out to be correct. And all of that is in public domain, and all of that is being questioned. And all of that is really going to open up the judiciary in a way that has never happened before. And I think many more skeletons are going to crop out. And many more such false cases where people have been implicated or people have been protected are going to come out. And all of that is perhaps very, very important. It is time that judiciary itself opens up to questioning rather than hiding behind contempt of court and punishing people for raising their voice. So
Yeah.
hats off to Mr. Tiwari for what he's done, and hats off to many other lawyers who have raised their voice.